HAWE HPA Flagship Series redefines bending benchmarks with precision technology. The intelligent core of press brakes. 3 global CNC systems, driving precision in every bend. Delem has the most extensive global service network with the fastest response speed. ESA, AI-powered path optimization, 20% higher productivity. Cybelec, touch-controlled HMI, 50% faster programming, zero learning curve. Servo motor with millisecond response, equipped with German oil pump, pressure fluctuation less than or equal to 0.5%, ensuring both power and precision. Intelligent back gauge system with 0.1 mm dynamic positioning accuracy. Precision ball screws and linear guides ensure zero clearance transmission, guaranteeing pinpoint accuracy at every bending start. Standard self-developed mechanical quick clamps, 3-second tool change. Titanium-plated dies with 300% lifespan boost. Upgrade to Wheeler class clamp for ultimate efficiency. Schneider electric full chain protection, anti-interference and harsh conditions resistant. 100,000 hours of stable operation to safeguard efficient production. Relentless power meets expansive capacity. Precision and efficiency unified for structural mastery. HAWE provide rich configurations with infinitely adaptable to delivering customized upgrade and retrofit solutions for you. Our CNC-controlled follower supports auto-sync with bending angles, achieving plus or minus 0.1 degrees tracking precision while moving on linear guides. 5/9 point laser matrices create 360 degrees protection zones, reducing mechanical hazards by 98%. Real-time laser calibration ensures 99.7% angle consistency, even in 24/7 production. Powered by Wheeler's 20-ton clamping force, tool changes become 70% faster with zero manual adjustment. From 3+1 to 8+1 axis, our modular back gauges adapt to any profile, aerospace alloys or architectural panels. From precision electronics to heavy industry, the HPA Flagship Series proves its strength with sales. Choose HAWE. Every bend is a declaration of precision.